All the exercises which we perform can be broadly divided into two categories. The first one is the compound exercises and the second one is the isolated exercise. So with the compound exercises, we are targeting multiple muscles and joints when we perform that exercise, such as the squats, deadlift, push-ups, pull-ups and many more. So if we consider the example of the squat, we are targeting the muscles which are involved in the movement of the knee, hip and the ankle joints. So since there are many muscles which are getting targeted with the compound exercises, it will help us to build our intermuscular balance and coordination. And also with the compound exercises, the functionality is more, so it will be beneficial for us to improve our performance with the daily activities or with any sports specific activity. And in case of the isolated exercises, we are targeting a single joint and a single muscle group when performing that exercise, such as the bicep curls, tricep extension and many more. So if we take the example of the bicep curls, we are only targeting the muscles which are involved in the movement of our elbow joint, which is the bicep muscles. So these isolated exercises will be helpful to target any specific muscular region which you want to target, or if we want to fix the imbalances which might have created with the compound exercises, since there are many muscles which are involved while performing them, so we can't target any specific muscle when doing the compound exercises. So now the idea here is not to say that one is superior to the other, but both of these exercises complement each other, and it's necessary to combine both the compound and isolated movements if we want to increase our strength, size and overall performance. But preferably you should go for the compound exercises before you go for the isolated exercises, since these compound exercises are more challenging and involves more muscles and functionality.